It is 4th December 2021. The number 4 has been removed from the windows on this building. Tomorrow is 5th December and number 5th will also be removed till 24 December, and then 24 there will be day of Christmas. This building is situated in Piazza Volta, Bolzano center. Really interesting, really informative. I will repeat that sooner they remove the number from the window, comes out, appears a photo, normally the photo about any image, some image of the Bolzano city. Take care. Till tomorrow, 5th December 2021.